Hello traders and players, Chasing Stars here doing another video chart. This one's going to be SHKZ, that's traded on the pinks. I'm going to go over a few basics here and what I'm definitely watching here with the chart. I've been watching this for some time now, so I'm going to go ahead and point out a few key features that we're going to want to go ahead and pay attention to as we progress and go into next week. So the first thing I'm going to point out, as I always do, is right here is the RSI. We're definitely going to go ahead and watch this, and it looks like we've had a little bit of a pullback right here, but we'll go over that here shortly. We're trading at 50.94 for the RSI, so we go ahead and see a little bit of a bottom out here and a little bit of a pullback right here, bouncing, going up, pullback, and it looks like the beginning of the next bounce. So we're going to go ahead and watch that and pay attention to that as we go forward into the next week. So a few things here, a few key features as far as support. We're going to go look right here. We went down and under support here, came back up, bounced right through that, and went ahead and came back up here and started making get through that resistance and went ahead and made that into support. So what we've seen happen here is once it came down, broke this support, and it went down to this support, it didn't really want to keep on going lower, is so to speak there. So it came on back up, broke through that resistance line right here, and went ahead and came back down in a little bit of consolidation period, bounced off that support and worked its way back up, breaking other resistance levels here in the not too far past here. So right here, what we're going to do is watch for a few things here as we move forward. This right here, we're going to watch this for this resistance line right around here in the 3 area. We definitely seen it up there above there and around this almost into the 4 area, right around right there. Okay, so what I'm going to be personally watching for is a few things here. The first thing I'm going to be watching for is obviously the volume. The volume is definitely starting to pick up more, and we definitely seen a lot of price reaction with that volume. And that volume, obviously, the price went up. So we're going to be watching for the parabolic SAR right here to flip positive, and I think we'll see that once we make the break of the 50-day simple moving average right here around the 0.02 area, right above there, between there rather. So once we see this break around the 0.022 area, I think we're going to go ahead and start moving up a lot quicker here, in my opinion. So what we're going to be looking for next week is a close above this 50-day simple moving average, and then after that, we're going to look for the breakthroughs through this resistance, and I think that the 200-day simple moving average at 0.007 can and will come quickly. The next thing that I'm going to be watching for is obviously this MACD is definitely flipping up positive as we speak, so we definitely see it starting to pinch there and making its way over. Next thing, as I always do, is point out the accumulation. We definitely seen a lot of drop off in the accumulation in the last little pull off or pullback, so we seen it flip back up and start working its way up. So as I said, what we're going to be watching here for is the break of this 50, and then we're going to make our way up to the next resistance line, in my opinion. So again, this is ticker symbol SHKZ. Keep it on the radar, in my opinion. And if anybody's interested in joining my email list, please send an email to investorshangout@gmail.com with add me in the subject. Your email will be used for informational and educational purposes only. No spam, and your email address will never be given out to anybody but myself. Again, you guys enjoy your weekend, and we'll see you on the boards.